Welcome to Helsinki, the vibrant capital city of Finland, where timeless traditions meet cutting-edge innovation amidst stunning natural beauty. In this comprehensive travel guide, we'll embark on a journey through 20 must-visit attractions and tourist spots that showcase the essence of Helsinki. From its iconic landmarks and architectural marvels to its bustling markets and serene islands, Helsinki offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. So, pack your bags and get ready to immerse yourself in the charm and allure of Helsinki, a city that never fails to captivate the imagination. 1. Suomenlinna Sea Fortress. Our journey begins at Suomenlinna Sea Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Helsinki's most iconic landmarks. Explore the centuries-old fortress and its network of walls, tunnels, and bastions, and learn about its fascinating history as a military stronghold and maritime defense. Stroll through its picturesque streets, visit its museums and galleries, and enjoy panoramic views of Helsinki and the surrounding archipelago from its scenic vantage points. 2. Senate Square, Senatintori. Discover the heart of Helsinki at Senate Square, a historic square surrounded by neo-classical buildings and statues. Marvel at the elegant Helsinki Cathedral with its distinctive green domes and towering facade, and explore the nearby Government Palace, University of Helsinki, and National Library of Finland. Admire the statue of Emperor Alexander II and the iconic fountain of Havisamanda, and soak in the timeless elegance and grandeur of this iconic city square. 3. Tempeliaukio Church, Rock Church. Experience architectural brilliance at Tempeliaukio Church, also known as the Rock Church, a unique church carved into solid rock. Marvel at its striking circular design, exposed rock walls, and copper dome, and admire the interplay of light and shadow that creates a serene and spiritual atmosphere inside. Attend a concert or musical performance in this acoustically exceptional space, and discover why the Rock Church is one of Helsinki's most beloved landmarks. 4. Market Square, Kauppattori. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and flavors of Helsinki at Market Square, a bustling marketplace located on the city's waterfront. Browse stalls selling fresh produce, handicrafts, and souvenirs, and sample local delicacies like smoked salmon, reindeer sausage, and Karelian pastries. Take a scenic ferry ride to Helsinki's nearby islands, including Suomenlinna, and enjoy panoramic views of the harbor and surrounding archipelago. 5. Design District. Discover Helsinki's vibrant design scene in the Design District, a creative hub filled with galleries, boutiques, and studios showcasing Finnish design excellence. Explore its eclectic mix of shops, from vintage clothing stores and artisanal workshops to cutting-edge design studios and concept stores. Admire iconic Finnish design brands like Marimekko, Aiitti, and Artek, and immerse yourself in the innovative spirit and craftsmanship that define Helsinki's design ethos. 6. Suursaari Open Air Museum. Step back in time and experience traditional Finnish life at Suursaari Open Air Museum, an outdoor museum located on a picturesque island in Helsinki's archipelago. Wander through its scenic grounds and discover a collection of historic buildings, including farmhouses, cottages, and windmills that have been relocated from different regions of Finland. Experience traditional crafts, music, and folk dance performances, and gain insight into the rich cultural heritage of Finland. 7. Helsinki Central Library. Udi. Embrace the spirit of learning and creativity at Helsinki Central Library. Udi, a state-of-the-art library and cultural center located in the heart of the city. Explore its modern architecture, innovative design features, and expansive collection of books, media, and resources. Attend workshops, lectures, and events that celebrate literature, technology, and the arts, and enjoy panoramic views of Helsinki from the library's rooftop terrace. 8. Suursaari Island. Escape the urban hustle and bustle and unwind amidst nature on Suursaari Island, a serene oasis located just a short distance from Helsinki's city center. Explore its tranquil forests, scenic walking trails, and sandy beaches, and discover charming picnic spots and recreational areas along the way. Visit the Suursaari Open Air Museum to learn about Finnish cultural traditions and folklore, and enjoy panoramic views of Helsinki and the surrounding archipelago from the island's scenic viewpoints. 9. Athenaeum. Art Museum, Immerse yourself in the world of art at Atheneum Art Museum, Finland's premier museum of art and one of Helsinki's cultural treasures. Explore its extensive collection of Finnish and international art spanning from the 18th century to the present day, and discover masterpieces by renowned artists such as Akseli Gallen-Kallela, Albert Edelfelt, and Helene Schierfbeck. Experience rotating exhibitions, guided tours, and educational programs that showcase the diversity and richness of Finnish art and culture. 10. Kiasma Museum of Contemporary Art. Experience the cutting edge of contemporary art at Kiasma Museum of Contemporary Art, a dynamic cultural institution located in the heart of Helsinki. Explore its innovative exhibitions, installations, and multimedia artworks that push the boundaries of creativity and provoke thought and reflection. Attend artist talks, performances, and workshops that engage with pressing social, political, and environmental issues, and gain insight into the evolving landscape of contemporary art in Finland and beyond. 11. Sibelius Monument. Pay homage to Finland's greatest composer at the Sibelius Monument, a striking outdoor sculpture dedicated to the legacy of Jean Sibelius. Marvel at the monument's abstract form, composed of over 600 stainless steel tubes, and contemplate its significance as a symbol of Finnish identity and cultural heritage. Located in Sibelius Park, this iconic landmark offers a tranquil setting for reflection and contemplation amidst the beauty of nature. 12. Helsinki Cathedral. Discover Helsinki's architectural masterpiece at Helsinki Cathedral, a neoclassical gem that dominates the city skyline. Admire its elegant facade, towering columns, and majestic dome, and explore its opulent interiors adorned with frescoes, statues, and ornate decorations. Climb the steps to the cathedral's rooftop for panoramic views of Senate Square and Helsinki Harbor, and witness the changing colors of the sky as the sun sets over the city. 13. Finnish National Museum. Journey through Finland's history and culture at the Finnish National Museum, a comprehensive museum located in Helsinki's Tulo district. Explore its extensive exhibits, which cover topics ranging from prehistoric artifacts and medieval treasures to modern art and design. Learn about Finland's ancient civilizations, medieval kingdoms, and modern nation-building efforts through artifacts, interactive displays, and multimedia presentations that bring history to life. 14. Hietaniemi Cemetery. Pay your respects to Finland's cultural icons and luminaries at Hietaniemi Cemetery, a historic burial ground located in Helsinki's Tulo district. Wander through its tranquil grounds and discover the final resting places of famous Finns, including artists, writers, politicians, and military heroes. Visit the impressive Hietaniemi Chapel with its striking architecture and serene atmosphere, and reflect on the legacies of those who have shaped Finland's history and identity. 15. Linnanmäki Amusement Park. Experience fun and excitement for the whole family at Linnanmäki Amusement Park, Helsinki's premier entertainment destination. Enjoy thrilling rides, roller coasters, and attractions that cater to all ages and interests, from adrenaline-pumping thrills to whimsical adventures. Explore themed areas like Carnival Land and Adventureland, and enjoy games, shows, and live performances that add to the festive atmosphere of this beloved amusement park. 16. Helsinki Zoo. Venture into the wild at Helsinki Zoo, home to over 150 animal species from around the world. Explore its diverse habitats, including the Amazonia tropical rainforest, the African savanna, and the Arctic Circle, and encounter animals such as polar bears, lions, and giraffes. Enjoy educational talks, feeding sessions, and animal encounters that provide insight into the natural world and conservation efforts to protect endangered species. 17. National Museum of Finland. Delve into Finland's past at the National Museum of Finland, a cultural institution dedicated to preserving and showcasing the country's heritage and history. Explore its extensive collection of artifacts, archaeological finds, and cultural treasures that span thousands of years, from prehistoric times to the present day. Learn about Finland's indigenous peoples, medieval kingdoms, and struggle for independence through interactive exhibits, multimedia displays, and immersive experiences that bring history to life. 18. Nuuksio National Park. Escape to nature and explore the pristine wilderness of Nuuksio National Park, located just a short drive from Helsinki city center. Hike through ancient forests, rugged landscapes, and tranquil lakes, and discover a wealth of outdoor activities, including camping, fishing, and berry picking. Encounter wildlife such as elk, deer, and rare bird species, and immerse yourself in the tranquility and beauty of Finland's natural landscapes. 19. Alice Sea Pool. Relax and rejuvenate at Alice Sea Pool, a unique urban oasis located on Helsinki's waterfront. Take a refreshing dip in its heated seawater pools, unwind in its saunas and hot tubs, and enjoy panoramic views of the harbor and surrounding cityscape. Indulge in wellness treatments, yoga classes, and fitness activities, and experience the therapeutic benefits of hydrotherapy and relaxation amidst the beauty of the Baltic Sea. 20. Helsinki Archipelago. Cruise. Embark on a scenic cruise through Helsinki's breathtaking archipelago, composed of over 300 islands and islets scattered along the coast. Sail past picturesque lighthouses, rugged cliffs, and lush green forests, and soak in the serene beauty of the Baltic Sea. Learn about the archipelago's rich maritime history and cultural heritage from knowledgeable guides, and enjoy onboard amenities such as refreshments, live commentary, and wildlife spotting opportunities. As we conclude our journey through Helsinki, we've explored 20 of its most captivating attractions and tourist spots, each offering a unique glimpse into the city's rich history, culture, and natural beauty. From its iconic landmarks and architectural marvels to its vibrant arts scene and culinary delights, Helsinki captivates the senses and leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. So whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or a nature lover, Helsinki has something for everyone to discover and enjoy. Come and experience the charm and allure of Helsinki for yourself, and let this enchanting city inspire and delight you with its warmth and